Sellercloud offers several ways to easily report issues. One way is through your main dashboard using the information icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose the type of issue you're experiencing, the priority, and leave a detailed message. Clicking Submit will create a ticket and send it to Sellercloud Support. Another way to create a ticket is from the Sellercloud Support Hub. This can be accessed using the headset icon on your dashboard. This opens the page where you can view other tickets you've created. Clicking New Ticket lets you create a new request. Simply select the type and priority and click Next to continue to the next step. Enter your message and attach any documents or images that will help our team address your concerns. Next, title your ticket and select any additional emails you want to CC. The last step is to preview your ticket before submitting it. You can view your new ticket in the main grid when returning to Manage Tickets. To check the status of your ticket and receive email updates, simply visit support.sellercloud.com to become a registered user. You can also find answers to questions or issues on our Help Center. Use the headset icon to quickly jump to Sellercloud Help. Here, you'll find hundreds of articles on all the functions and features of Sellercloud, so you can learn all the business benefits of these features and how you can use them. Be sure to take advantage of these various resources to optimize your experience with Sellercloud. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.